In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload videos on Google Drive without losing quality. This is a common concern, so let's clear it up right away. Google Drive does not change or compress your original video file. Whatever you upload is exactly what gets stored. If your video ever looks softer or blocky in Drive, that's almost always the streaming preview you're seeing, not the real file. The actual download remains full quality. The most important thing you can do is upload the original file. Avoid re-exporting, editing, or compressing it just to make the upload faster. Every time you recompress, you risk losing detail. Keep the file in a standard format that plays nicely across devices. MP4 is typically best, and MOV or AVI are fine too. As long as you're using the unmodified original, Drive will keep it unchanged. Uploading is straightforward. On a computer, go to drive.google.com, open the folder where you want the video, and drag and drop the file into the window. You'll see an upload progress indicator. Let it finish completely before closing the tab or shutting your laptop. Larger files can take a while, so be patient and make sure the progress reaches 100%. If the playback inside Drive looks fuzzy, don't worry. The built-in preview is optimized for fast streaming and might display a lower resolution, like 360p to 720p. That's by design, so it loads quickly. To confirm the real quality, download the file from Drive and play it locally. You'll see it matches the original you uploaded. A stable internet connection makes a big difference, especially for large videos. Use a reliable Wi-Fi network instead of mobile data when possible. Try not to switch networks in the middle of an upload and keep the browser tab or app open until the upload completes. Interruptions can delay processing or make the preview buffer in a way that looks worse than the actual file. A few extra tips help everything go smoothly. Keep your file name simple and avoid special characters like the % or slashes that can cause upload hiccups. Make sure you have enough storage space available in your Drive before you start. And if you're working with a very large file, upload it by itself rather than stacking multiple big uploads at once. Bottom line, Google Drive does not compress your video. If it seems like the quality dropped, it's almost always the preview playback, a slow connection affecting streaming, or expectations based on the preview versus the full quality download. Upload the original, let it finish, and your video will stay pristine.